Are you struggling on achieving beautiful placket for your dresses, your shirt? Well, join me on this tutorial because it's very detailed. I will be showing you how I achieved this beautiful placket. Also, it's beginners friendly. Welcome to my channel together with Queen Esther. So I'm cutting out the under placket. I made sure that the length of it is more than 8 inches. Though my actual length for the neck slit is 6 inches. But I'll cut out the excess when I'm done sewing. And the width for the under placket is 2.5 inches. From 2 to 2.5 inches is okay. I added extra to my fabric because the fabric was very light. But if you are working with thick fabric, no need of adding a stay. I've marked out my desired width, so I'm cutting out the excess. When you have gotten your desired length and width, fold your fabric the way you are seeing on the screen. Make sure it's not overlapping. It's like kiss print. So it should be facing each other with no space. Then after that, fold it again. This time around, one side should be longer than the other one. One side should use like 1/8 or 2/8 longer than the other. This is the fabric for placket itself. I've cut out my collar stay already and I'm ironing it on my fabric. The width of the collar stay is 1.2. You can use 1 inch, you can use 1.2 depending on your preference. Then the length, you just measure your shirt or your gown. Measure any length you want, then you can use it. Make sure you iron your collar stay on your fabric. So measure 2.5 inches from your right hand because that's what I'm doing now, and mark it from up to down. So from your right hand, measure from up to where you want your slit, that's your neck opening, your neck slit, where you want it to stop. Mine was 6 inches, so I measured from that up to 6 inches. I've marked it already. Then from down side, the down part of it, I marked 1 inches. Then I cut to meet that 6 inches that I've marked. I hope you understand. Let me repeat myself again. I said from your right hand, measure downwards any desired slit or any desired point you've marked your neck slits to. So for this tutorial I use 6 inches and I've marked it already. Then from the down part I measured out 1 inch and trace it by cutting it to meet that 6 inches that I've marked already. This is what I did here. So now I'm ironing. At this point, I didn't even notice my head was covering almost what I was videoing. But if you check very well, as in if you look, you will also be seeing some parts or some details. I'm really sorry, guys. If you are getting any value from this video, please like, subscribe, share. Please, I'm begging. I'm done ironing the placket, so that's it. Very simple. This is just the tricks that if you use, you get a perfect and neat placket on your dress. So we are heading to sewing machine. I have slit my neckline already. The depth is 6 inches. So I'll go ahead and sew the under placket to the left side, like the one that is facing you, the left side. That's where I'll sew the placket to. So guys, if you watch closely, if you notice the side that I'm placing under the shirt is the longer part, so that when I sew, it will hold the placket. When you are done with the under placket, place the main placket and sew. Watch as I place it and the way I'm sewing it. Ensure that everything aligns and the pointy mouth, that's the pointy edge on the down part, is at the middle. There's another observation here. Before you join your shoulder, your sides and your sleeve, it's better you insert the placket first. At least it will make it more easier when sewing it. So guys, if you are getting any value from this, please like, subscribe and share. At least it will help other designers to benefit from it more. Thank you.